Hey guys, it's Prey. Today we're at Mega Mall because we're going to have brunch or lunch. And then later at 2 p.m. may basketball game yung isa dito. So we're gonna watch and support. Sana manalo kayo. Nanalo ba kayo last time? Oh! Okay. So yeah. See you guys there. Oh my gosh, is this our order? Yay, thank you! Oh my god! This is our favorite. Let's eat! Thank you, Lord. It's a Doki Boss! Cheers! Hindi tayo nag-cheers. Ito talaga yung favorite namin, Uma. The first time we tried Uma was in 2022, di ba? Oo nga. So, first time niya mag-sushi ever. And we haven't looked back since. Cheers! This is the steak aboy. Love, love, love. Yeah, taste test. We're here at Super Matcha. So I got the matcha, Super Matcha soft serve something. So we got matcha latte and matcha soft serve. Lasang dapo talaga siya.
Sige, magbatok na naman.
Masarap yung ano niya, soft serve. Pero hindi ko pa lang mainom yung latte kasi plan. Later, I will let you guys. I will update you.
So, natapos na yung basketball game. And now, we're in Farinas, Ilocos Empanada, here sa QAV. Kasi, we want some Ilocos Empanada. Sobrang init. Grabe. Pag-aalasin ko na, sobrang init pa din. It's so crazy.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Iba talaga Farinas. Meron siyang distinct taste na hindi ma-duplicate, ma-replicate ng ibang bilihan. Saka iba talaga. I think it's their longganisa. No? Ingat, bro. Umuusok pa.
Happy Sunday, guys! We're going to Binondo today para mag-food trip.
Ay, ito lang pala ka na Robert pala.
Cheers. $200. 14 pieces. Ang dami na. Sobrang sulit na. Chicken.
May one chicken poppers.
Ang beaten chicken poppers. How much? 150. How many pieces?
Hindi ko alam. Walang pieces, grams.
A gram. Pero nung nakapila kami sa Bayet sa Xiaolongbao. Fried Xiaolongbao. Dito kami kumakain sa Elephant. Hindi naman kami sinita, so pwede. Init.
Bye. Actually, kinakamay siya. Ito ng properties ng separate lang.
Chicken sauce. Akala ko custard siya all this time. Yes. We found sidewalk yung 100 bouquet. 100 peso bouquet. It's one of the smartest business models na na-encounter ko present time. Kasi buying flowers, medyo ano siya, intimidating siya, especially if nagpupunta ka pa ng Dangwa, flower ship, ang mahal sa mga florist. So, very accessible.
And maganda na rin yung presentation niya. Yeah.